Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to go over the git merge command. Now, some of the key points we're going to go over in this video are we're going to go over what a merge is. We're going to learn how to merge two branches together. And we're going to learn how to resolve merge conflicts. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what is a merge? A merge is basically when you want to bring in changes from another branch. Now, two things can happen. If you're lucky, the code that you want to bring in fits in nicely into your current code and there is no conflicts. Or if there is overlap in the code, you get what's called a merge conflict. And this is because Git doesn't really know which code you want. Do you want the code from the branch that you're currently on? Or do you want the code from the branch that you're trying to bring in? Or maybe a combination of both. So you need to tell Git which changes or which code it is that you want. And we'll go over how to fix those merge conflicts in this video. All right, so we're going to learn how to merge two branches here. But before we do, let's just go over some quick background info on how I have my stuff set up here. So I have three branches: master, this one here called feature/vegetables, and this one here called feature/fruits. Now, each branch has a different version of this file here called my code. Let's look at the contents of this file while we are in the master branch. As you can see, it's completely empty. All right. So now let's switch over to feature/vegetables. Now that I'm in the feature/vegetables branch, we'll go ahead and open the file, and you'll see that it has these three changes: carrot, radish, and celery. Okay. Now let's switch over to feature/fruits. And let's look at the content of the file. This one has apple, orange, and mango. Okay. All right, now let's go back to master. It's completely empty. All right, so what we're going to want to do is, since the file is empty, we want to bring in the content or the changes of these feature branches. So we'll start off with the feature/fruits branch, and basically we're going to merge these two together. We're going to merge feature/fruits into master. And we do that by typing in git merge and then the name of the branch that you want to bring in. So remember, we're on the master branch, okay? It's empty. File's empty. What we want to do is we want to bring in feature/fruits, okay? All right, so we type git merge feature/fruits and we press enter. Now it's going to say here it's updating. Fast forward mycode.txt. One file change, 3 insertions. Basically what this is saying is the changes were applied. And if we open this file, you'll see that it now says apple, orange, and mango. Okay. And if we do git log, you'll see that before it used to say just first commit. And now that we merged both of them together, it now brought in this commit add fruits. Okay. This add fruits was a commit that was inside of feature slash fruits. Okay, and that's what this fast forward means. It means that master was currently here, but after we merged, it added another commit and it fast forwarded. Okay, all right, seems pretty straightforward. So now what we're going to do is basically do the same thing, but for this feature slash vegetables. We now want to bring in the content from the feature slash vegetables branch. So what we do is the same thing. We do get merge and then feature slash vegetables. Okay. When we press enter, you'll see that it says auto merging mycode.txt conflict. Merge conflict in mycode.txt. Automatic merge failed. Fix conflicts and then commit the result. All right, so when you try merging two branches together, chances are you're going to see these merge conflicts sometime in your development career. And basically, whenever that happens, you open up the file or files, and you're going to see these things here added to your code. These things are called markers, okay? Now this one here says head. This one here is the separator. And then here is the feature slash vegetables branch marker. Basically what this is saying is, hey, you currently have this in your file. You have apple, orange, and mango. That's what you currently have right now. Okay, that's why it says head. But the stuff that you're trying to bring in from feature slash vegetables is carrot, radish, and celery. And get is kind of confused right now. It's saying which content do you want? Do you want this or do you want that? Please make up your mind. Let me know what you want. So what you have to do here is basically modify the file to your liking. Do you want to keep this, or maybe a combination of both? So let's go ahead and keep all six. So what we do is we get rid of the markers, okay? And basically we make the file look the way we want it to look. And I'm pretty happy with these 6 lines right here: apple, orange, mango, carrot, radish, and celery. We'll go ahead and save the file. Okay, but since we modified the file, you'll notice that those changes are now in the working directory. So we'll have to add those changes to the staging area and then create a commit. Okay. Now, what's going to happen here is when we create this commit, it'll also bring in the commit from feature slash vegetables. So in the commit message here, I won't write add vegetables because it's going to include that anyway. So a more appropriate message would be add fruits and vegetables. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So I'll press enter. Okay. Now remember, we're still on master. Now we created this commit. We open the file. It looks good, right? It's got the content that we wanted. Now if we do git log, check this out. It says first commit. Okay, that's when I created the file for the first time while I was on master. Then it brought in add fruits, right? We already knew that when we merged with feature slash fruits. Now that we added the changes from feature slash vegetables, it brought in the add vegetables commit from feature slash vegetables. Okay. And this commit that we just created just now is this one here, add fruits and vegetables. And this is where head is currently pointing to. Okay, so this is the latest and greatest commit right here. Okay. All right, so that is all for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.